Hi everybody, welcome back to another video training session from the Import-Export. This video training is really very simple. I had a meeting yesterday with a supplier, and one little trick I can sort of pass on to you guys is to bring along with every meeting your iPhone or even some sort of MP3 recorder. And you'll find that most phones these days tend to have recording capabilities built inside them. And the reason why is it enables you to record the conversation, because as you're talking to Chinese suppliers or factories, you'll find that they'll be speaking in Mandarin or Cantonese to each other, and later on you will want to get that translated and find out what they're actually saying at those meetings, because you'll find out if you could, the services online like sites like Elance and Odesk, where you can actually upload audio recordings off your meeting and you can have it transcribed within the hour and actually transcribed and translated. Alright, so this is something that you can do right now. So when you're talking to Chinese suppliers or factories or having face-to-face meetings with them, make sure you bring an audio recorder. Alright, so this is just a very quick tip. I'm actually here in Xi'an right now. I'm just having a cup of morning coffee before I head out for the day of more supplier checks and factory audits. So I'll talk to you guys real soon.